This video is for educational purposes only. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into activating the Internet Download Manager. Stay tuned, because in just a few minutes, we are going to start the step-by-step activation process to get IDM up and running smoothly on your device. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump right in. Let's first start with downloading Internet Download Manager, or IDM for short. Open any browser. I am going to open Google Chrome. Once the browser is open, type download IDM in the address bar. Once you press enter, you will get a page like this. Select the official website to download the latest version of the IDM. Click Download Internet Download Manager, and right away the download will start. Once you have finished downloading, open the downloaded X file to start the installation of IDM. Select the desired language. Click OK. Click Next. Click to accept. Click Next. Click Next. Now click Next to start the installation process. Once the installation process is done, you will get a pop-up. Just simply click Close to close the pop-up. Now we will start the main activation process. For that, go to Start. Type PowerShell. Keep in mind to click Run as administrator. Once the PowerShell is open, you simply need to type this command and press enter. The command is available in the description, just copy for there. You will get a new window with some options. Now here you need to keep in mind that the first option might not work well for all the users. So if you go with me, select the second option to freeze the trial permanently. I am going to press 2 on the keyboard to freeze the trial. Some temp files will get downloaded. Don't panic. Once all the files are finished downloading, click close. After closing, it will show the IDM 30 days trial period is successfully freezed for lifetime. If you are having some issue like getting the pop-up to register, simply uninstall the IDM and reinstall it. It will solve your issue. And that's it, the simplest way to activate IDM for free. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. Till then, have a great time, and I'll see you in the next one.